Hi everyone and welcome to our language training center, new concept English video classroom, and today we will learn new concept English book 2 lesson 15. Sağdaş yaxşımsızlar. Hamsi bugün 15 ders geldik. Şu 15 dersni bir öğreneyle. Biz ders başlaştan burun endi bizniki qonun qoidamiz boyuncha şu oldingi derslarda öğrenip o'tgan mazmunlarni bir qisqagina bir takrorlab o'taylik. Takrorlab bo'lgandan keyin endi nima qilsak. Xo'sh, hamsa bir yangi so'zlarni takrorlab boqaylik. Okay, endi birinchi rasm qaranglar. Bu nima desanglar? Very interesting and funny. Okay? Very interesting and funny. What is that? Which word it is? Amusing. Nayt yaxshi. Amusing nayt. Qiziqarli, kulkulik deb bo'lgan. Tushunami? Nima? Amusing. What about next one? Like hold your arm up and ear and move your hand like this. What is this? It's wave. Good. It's called wave. What about next one? It's a ride in a car. Okay. If you're riding a car like this, it's a lift. Lift. Okay, lift. Sure. Machine qanday qilishdi? Chiqolish, nima? Okay, and the trip from one place to another. Okay, and the journey. Yaxshi, a trip from one place to another. Ayzabta bir safar, shunami? Yoki shu. The name is sayohat, journey. Okay. What about answer? It's a reply. Good. Demak, endi o'tgan soat o'rgangan so'zliklardan amusing, wave, lift, journey, and then reply. Xo'sh, hamsa bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan narsamiz nima? Good news. Okay, good news. Endi misharka news degan nima savolashlar? Okay, it comes from north, east, west, south. Demak, endi misharka to'rt so'zninki nimasi? Shu to'rt tarafdan kelgan yangi narsalarni yig'indisini biz arab deymiz, news deymiz. Nima? News. Aniqda bu good news nima edi? So, can we read news in a newspaper? Nima? Okay, yoki can we watch news on TV? Can we listen to the news on the radio? Can we drink the news? Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm demoqchim. News degan xabar shunami? Demak, hamda shu good news hamda bugungi shu good news g'oyatlikdan-ki bir necha yangi so'zni o'taylik. O'rganib bo'lgandan keyin endi nima desanglar? Anda boshla. Birinchisi secretary. Okay, secretary. Xo'sh, hamda secretary deganimiz hamda men oldingi secret. Men oldingi secret degan so'z qaranglar. Bola secret degan so'z maxfiy degan gap, tushunami? Secretary deganimiz shu nima? Shu bizningki ishlarimizdanki maxfiy ishlarni qilib turadigan, demakchi, hamda shu sir saqlaydigan, hamda ko'pincha ishlarni qilib turadigan nima? Kotib deymiz, tushunami? Kotib. Har xil shu xo'jayinninki nimasini ishlarni o'rlashtirib qilib turadigan secretary, kotib. Masalan, she's a new secretary. Okay, u bo'lsa bir yangi nima? Kotib. And everyone knows her. Okay, hamda hammalar qanday qildi? Uni taniydi, knows her. Yani he's secretary to the governor. Okay, hamda nima desanlar, u nima? Shtat boshlig'ining governor degan hamda shtat boshlig'i. Shtat boshlig'ining nimasi? Kotibi. Okay, good. And next one is nervous. Okay, and the nerve deganimiz menga degan gap savolashda. Nerve degan nervisi, tushunami? Nervous bo'lish. Nervous bo'lish nervlar ko'p ketish. Demakchi jiddiylashish. Jiddiylash bo'lsin, nervous deymiz. Okay, nervous. Arabda buni idiom shaklda ifodalansa, yana butterfly is flying in my stomach deydi. And butterfly deganimiz nima? Butterfly deganimiz butterfly. Okay. Demakla butterfly degan nima? Kepinak. In meaning my stomach. Demakchi oshqoznimda uchib yotadi. Butterfly is flying in my stomach. Good. Are you nervous? Birinchi jumla. Are you nervous? Jiddiylashdingizmi? Yes, I'm little. Yes, I am. Yes, I am a little nervous now. Men azroq qanaqa qilyapman, jiddiylashyotaman. Agar ko'pincha, masalan, qanday vaqtda kishi jiddiylashadi? Masalan, to'p musobaqasi ko'rganda, bularni nuqta to'p deb ishganda shunami? Tench o'qiganda. Va kishi jiddiylashadi uni. Ekran qarab, xuddi ma rasmliklarga o'xshash. Agar nima? Nervous. Okay. Don't be nervous. Qanday jiddiylashma. I felt nervous about the result. Nima men uni natijasiga qanday intayin bir xil jiddiylashyapman. Okay, nervous. He was nervous before the planned trip. Okay, and bu shu aeroplan safaridan burun o'g'anda intayin jiddiylashdi. Bular aeroplanga chiqqanda ko'pincha nima bo'ldi? Feeling kind of nervous. Okay, nervous. Don't be so nervous. Everything will be okay. Uncha jiddiylashib ketma. Hammash yaxshi bo'lib ketadi. Shunami? Hammash yaxshi bo'lib ketadi. Don't be so nervous. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Our next one is afford. Okay, afford. Xo'shanda afford deganimiz nima desanlar? Chiqim qila olish, to'lay olish degan gap. Afford. Afford. Masalan, who can afford the bill? Okay, hamda bu bill deganimiz nima? Talon. Okay, hamda bu talonga chim qanday qildi? Chiqish qila oladi yoki shuni chim to'laydi. Who can afford the bill? Buni chim to'laydi. I can afford the big house. Demakchi men bu yo'g'on uyga chiqish qila olmayman. Okay. Can afford degan chiqish qila olish, demakchi pul to'lay olish, shunami? Cannot afford bo'lsa pul to'lay olmaslik. Shuningga chiqish qila olmaslik. Cannot afford. Okay, onadagi nima? We can afford to buy a car. Biz mashin setib olish qanday qilolmaymiz? Chiqish qila olmaymiz. Yoki to'lay olmaymiz. Okay, yoki chiqim qila olmaymiz. Demakchi, we can afford to buy. Okay. And the affordable bo'lishningki ABLE shakli affordable and bu special shakli shunday arzon degan gap. Shu chiqish qilaligidek. Demakchi, pul to'layligidek arzon degan gap. Affordable. Affordable. Good. Next one is weak. Weak. Weak was nima desanlar? Ojiz degan gap. Ojiz. Masalan, she felt weak from lack of sleep. Okay, hamda bu bek uyqusi yetarli bo'lmaganlikdan qanday qildi? Ojizlab ketibdi, shunami? He felt weak. Okay. Masalan, a person with a weak side cannot see far. Okay, and then there a person with a weak side. Okay, and bir odamningki ko'rishi nihoyatda ojiz bo'lsa, to'g'ri bo'lsa, cannot see far. Qanaqa qilmaydi? Jiroqni ko'rolmaydi. Nima demak weak deganimiz hamda weak ojiz degan gap. Weak. Masalan, leave me alone, she said in a weak voice. Meni yolg'iz qo'ying. Dedi o'yindan bo'sh tuan ovozda. A weak voice, tuan ovoz, weak side, ala ko'rish quvvati tuan degan gap, ha? Weak side. Okay, weak side. All right, and I felt weak was. Yak feel weak. Nima? Nayte ojiz tuanis qilma. Okay. Next one is interrupt. Okay, interrupt. Mabek qiziq so'z. Inter degan ora degan gap bu balla. Inter. Masalan, international demakchi davlat bilan davlat orasida. Shu xalqaroliq degan gap, shunami? Okay. Intersection. Inter degan ora, section degan bo'lak. Bo'lak bilan bo'lak orasida. Nima? Qadashiz bor bu. To'rt kuchi. Shuni intersection deymiz. And interrupt. Bu yerga rupt degan sig'inning ma'nosi rupt, uzib o'tmak, bo'lib o'tmak degan gap. Enter degan ora. Demakchi o'ttirishdan taqqana besib o'tish, uzib o'tish bo'lsa ma'nosi. Shu gap qistirmoq, saqal tarmoq. Okay, saqal tarash, gapini bo'lib o'tish, gapining beligi tepish degan gap. Interrupt. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Okay, hamda gapingizni bo'lib o'tganimga, yoki gap qistirganimga, yoki saqal targanimga afu so'raydi, shunami? I'm sorry to interrupt you. Interrupt. Okay, shunami? Okay, don't interrupt her. Let her have her say. Okay, hamda uni digili qo'y. Uning gapini bo'lmang degan gap bo'ldi, shunami? Don't interrupt her. Okay, don't interrupt her. Let her have her say. Uni digini qo'y, shunami? It's not applied to interrupt a speaker. It's not applied. O intayin taza. Adaptlik emas. Adablik bo'lmaydi. Qanday qilsa, birisining gapini bo'lib o'tsa. Demak, birisining gapini bo'lib o'tsa, qanday qilmaydi? Yaxshi bo'lmaydi. Okay, endi men tushuntirib beraman. The words have. And so let's make friend. Masalan, oldingi keyin jumlasi friend qilib beraman. Masalan, birlik. Masalan, secret secretary shunami? Secretary. Secretary kotib. Nervous. Yaxshi. Afford. To'layalish, chiqim qila olish shunami? Okay. Weak. Ajiz. Interrupt. Gapini bo'lib o'tmak. Okay, endi bir o'qib o'tinglar. Secretary, nervous, afford, okay, weak, interrupt, okay, interrupt. Okay, amsa bizniki so'zlikimiz mushakchi bo'lsin. Amsa tekst qaraylik savolashlar.
Lesson 15. Good news. First listen and then answer the question. What was the good news? The secretary told me that Mr. Harmsworth would see me. I felt very nervous when I went into his office. He did not look up from his desk when I entered. After I had sat down, he said that business was very bad. He told me that the firm could not afford to pay such large salaries. 20 people had already left. I knew that my turn had come. Mr. Harmsworth, I said in a weak voice. Don't interrupt, he said. Then he smiled and told me I would receive an extra £1,000 a year.
Alright, savolashlar. Tekst qaraydigan bo'lsak, nima? The secretary told me that Mr. Harmsworth would see me. Okay. Nima debdi? Bu katib menga dedi, Mr. Harmsworth men bilan ko'rishmoqchi ekan. I felt very nervous. Men intan jiddiylashdim when I went into his office. Men uning ishxonasiga kirgan vaqtimda. Okay. He did not look up from his desk when I entered. Men kirgan vaqtimda u beshini ustaldan ko'tarmadi. Okay, after I sat down, he said that business was very bad. Okay. Men o'tgandan keyin u hozir so'da aytdi, yaxshi emas deb dedi. Okay. He told me that the firm could not afford to pay such a large salary. Okay. Endi u menga dedi, shirkat unchalik maoshni qanday qilinmaydi, hozir chiqish qilinmaydi, to'layolmaydi. 20 people had already left. Hozir 20 odam oldi burun qatori sanib ayrildi. I knew my turn had come. Men bilatdim, meniki navbatib kelib qoldi dedi. Mr. Harmsworth, I said in a weak voice. Harmsworth efendim, aytdi, bo'sh ovozda dedim. Don't interrupt, he said. Voy, gapini bilmam, o dedi. Then he smiled and told me I would receive an extra £100 a year. Men onundan sırt yana 100 bonuslarla artık aldığanlıqımda qanday qildi? Dedi. All right. So you are working for a company. What news would you like to hear? Okay. Nima debdi? Oy, siz bu shirkatda ishlayapsiz, qanday gapni anglamoqchi? Get a higher pay? Okay, become a manager or get bonus? Okay. Hamsa savolashlar agar endi sizlarni o'rinda o'qigan bo'lsam, nima deb o'ylaytinglar? Okay, get a higher pay, yuqoriroq bir maosh olishnimi? Yoki become a manager, yoki bir boshqaruvchi, jingli bo'lishnimi, direktor bo'lishnimi? Or get bonus. Get. The bonus deganimiz ham shu mukofot. Mukofot shunami? Yoki get a lower pay. Okay. Yoki work overtime, ya get fired. Xo'sh, endi men get a lower pay to masalash. Work overtime, ismini qo'shib ishlash, jabr qilish deb qo'yamiz-ku. Get fired. Yoki nima? İşten boşalışını. So which news would you like to hear? Okay. Agar anda muşnun oxşaş, I get a higher pay, become manager, get bonus. Mal nime ama good news. Mal ço bad news. Okay. Good news, bad news. Hoş. And then one day the secretary told me that the manager would see me. Okay. And then okay, write letters and make phone calls. And the in time how did I feel? How did I feel? Happy, excited, angry, or nervous? Okay. And then oh, nervous. When okay. Manager, sometimes you're very nervous. You know, nervous be worried and anxious about something. Okay, okay. And the manager in the secretary works for a manager, you know, head of a team. Okay, organize and manage the team. Okay, and the a manager organize and manage the team. Şu direktör, şu bir grupunu teşkillaydigan, orlaştırgan manager. Mesela after I had sat down, okay, after I had sat down, okay, A was not able to pay such a large salary. He said, yeah, okay, was able to pay a large salary. And the was not able to. Demek şu tüyleşik kanaklanmaslık, kadir bulamazlık. Bu ne mersinler? Şu was not able to pay dediğimiz yani can afford dediğimiz şu. Okay. Demek şu çıkışıklanmaslık. Demek şununla kana kurbeti yetmezlik bulur. Ama was able bozuşur. Sana could afford. Could afford. Eğer şu şirket şunu tüle pula alsan demek could afford. Mesela our company could afford. Yeah, I couldn't afford. Was not tuleyemezdik. Okay. I know that my turn had come. And I said something in a weak voice. He said, don't stop me. Okay. And then don't stop me. Min toxtatmadı. Don't interrupt me. I said in a weak voice. That makes you weak. So what did he say? Okay. So you will leave the firm. Or you will receive an extra £1,000 a year. You will receive £1,000 a year. Okay, £1,000 extra. Onun da sırtımda yana şununla 1000 pon sterling yana push-up degene. 1000 pon sterling degenge balazi şu 10.000 koy atrapı degenge bu xel çoğun pula. So what was the good news? Good news is that okay, extra £1,000 a year. Okay, and then Mr. Harmsworth will see you. Okay, and then mushu sağdaşta qaranglar. Mushu chim-chimdan degan gibi mushuni arib yaqinlar. My secretary in there, Mr. Harmsworth will see you. Okay, Harmsworth efendim sizle görüşmek için. Business is very bad. Okay, madem Mr. Harmsworth. The firm cannot afford such pay. Mr. Harmsworth. Okay. And the 20 people have already left. Mr. Harmsworth. What about Mr. Harmsworth? Mr. Harmsworth. Okay, I mean don't interrupt. What did you Mr. Harmsworth. You will receive an extra £1,000 a year. Okay, of course, this is the Harmsworth. Okay, I should. Hocayn dedi. Hoş. Andaqta biz şu teksimizninki intayna olqiliq, intay mühimlik. Aslan meyani qas 10 qitim, 20 qitim ko'rsalam arzigidek yachu. Chunki boshdanki focus, nima? Eng muhim muhim nahmu shu focus chiqadi. Xo'sh, birinchisi nima desam, he didn't look up from his desk when I entered. Okay? And the misharga look up, look down, and the mishana farqi nima? Okay, and the look down deganimiz nima? Okay, and the misharga onanki boshqa ma'nolar bor. Qaranglar. Don't look down upon others. Okay. And the look down upon others bo'lsa, boshqalarni qanday qilmam? To'ng ko'rmam. Look down. Past ko'rmam. Tushunami? Look up bo'lsa, I always look up new words in a dictionary. And the look up number manisi izdemek bo'ladi. Okay, look up. Look up. Endi mishalga look up degan izdemek. Okay, endi yana birisi 5-manda ko'tirish bo'lsinmi? Shumi look up bo'ladi. Demak, look down, look up nashga birisi izlash, birisi nima desanlar, past ko'rish. Endi qaranglar, shu look bilan munosabatli a lot of phrases bor mi? Look, masalan, look after, okay, look out, look at, look into. Endi siz birdan to'xtab qolib, birinchisi nima desanlar? She's old enough to look after herself. Okay. Ana look after degan o'z oldin xabar olmoq. Endi u o'zining oldin xabar olgidek qiri deydi. Yetarli qiri. Demak, endi u o'zining oldin o'zi xabar olgidek bo'lib bo'ldi degan gap, shunami? Look after. Okay, endi keyingisi desanlar, look out. It's dangerous. Okay, diqqat qil. Qara. Qarabman ko'zanga, shunami? It's dangerous. O intayin qanday? Xatarlik. Okay. It is dangerous. Look out. Demak, yoki watch out demasan, do'stlaringlar bunday yo'lda o'tib ketib qolgan bo'lsa, bunday qilib, "Hey, watch out." Yoki nima? Look out. Oy, diqqat qil. Demakchi, mashinasi qo'ydi, diqqat qilmang degan gap. Okay, keyingisi please look at your book now. Okay, kitobingizga qarang. Ya, kitobingizga qaranglar, shunami? You know, please often look into the case carefully and look into degan oldin qatimliq darslardan bir qatim chiqqan bu tekshirmak. Tekshirish, investigate deydi-ku. Tekshirish bo'lsa nima? Look into. Demakchi ichiga qarash. Demakchi shu tekshirish degan gap. You know, I knew my turn had come. Okay, and the turn deganimiz hamda birinchisi o'ylanmasdan turn left. Okay, turn left. Okay. Turn right. Okay, turn round was bir cho'g'ga yetislash nima? Turn round, keyinga burilish. Masalan, o'ngga buril, so'lga buril, orqaga buril. Orqaga buril degani-chi. Turn round, good. Endi ikkinchisi turning-ga hamda feeldan sirtam ism bo'lgandek ma'nosida nima? Navbati degan gap, ha? Chance for you to do something. Hey, it's your turn. Hey, bu sizning navbatingiz. Okay? My turn was meaning navbatim. Okay, it's my turn. Let me introduce myself. Oh, menga navbat kelibdimi? Menga navbat kelibdimi? O'zimni tanishtirib o'tay. Shunami, my turn. Okay. Masalan, it's my turn to talk with a man. And adam bilan ko'rishishga nima? Mening navbatim kelibdi. Demak, mening navbatim, shunami? Okay. Intern bo'lgan bo'lsa-mi, shu navbat bilan degan gap, ha? Okay, masalan, let's talk with the man intern. O adam bilan biz shu navbat bo'yicha navbat bilan qanday qilaylik? Paranglashaylik. In turn. Turn left, turn right, turn round. Good. Xo'sh, Shamsa, bu bugungi darsimizningki grammatika nuqtasi qaraylik. Point time bir necha muhim grammatikalar bor. U bo'lsin nima desanlar, shu jizja yinyu, janja yinyu. Qistirma jumla, o'zlashtirma jumla. Xo'sh, endi bu qistirma jumla degan gap nima desanlar, shu boshqalarning gapini aynan oldi ko'chirib aytsa, ko'chirma jumla yoki qistirma jumla deymiz. Hamda boshqalarning gapini hamda o'zining gapiga aylantirib aytsa, buni o'zlashtirma jumla deymiz. Masalan, the secretary told me Mr. Harmsworth will see you. Okay, Mr. Harmsworth sizni ko'rmoqchi. Demak, the secretary told me that Mr. Harmsworth would see me. And the ma'no nima o'zlashtirma jumlaga aylandi. And then Mr. Harmsworth nima I will see him yoki her deydi, shunami? Okay. And Mr. Harmsworth said business is very bad. Okay, and the ma'no nima asl jumla. Mr. Harmsworth said that business was very bad. And o'zlashtirma jumlaga aylandiganda, mush oldin nima zamon bo'lgan bo'lsa, bu ishning keyini o'qganda desan, shu zamonga o'zgardi. Yoki bo'lmasa bir zaman yoki shunaqa asosan qaytadi o'tgan zaman bo'lsa. Mr. Harmsworth told me the firm cannot afford to pay such large salary. Ana ma'no nima desanlar, shu qistirma jumla. Qistirma jumla. Ana buni bayanchi o'zlashtirma jumlaga aylantirgan Mr. Harmsworth told me that the firm could not afford to pay such salary. And the firm could not pay. And the firm cannot pay me. Okay, hamda bu dedi, hamda o'tgan zaman boshqalarga bayon qilib turyapti, tushunami? Hamda bu yer boshqalarga shu bayon qilib aytgan ekan, uning qaysi shaklini olamiz? O'tgan zaman shaklini olamiz. And a firm couldn't afford to pay such a large salary. Okay, Mr. Harmsworth told me. Okay, Mr. Harmsworth told me 20 people have already left. Ma'ni qistirib jumlashni, men o'zlashtirib jumlalarni o'rganib bersanlar, oldi o'tgan zaman bo'ldi, ma'ni shirkat bir zamonda bir keynigan durmiz. Oddiy hozir qilman bo'lsa, masalan, shunday vanchunki have left. Buni go'chi vanchun aylandi. Masalan, Mr. Harmsworth told me that 20 people had already left. 20 people had already left. As qaranglar, Mr. Harmsworth told me, don't interrupt. And the ma'nidagi buyruq jumlalarni, buyruq jumlalarni told me not to interrupt. Okay. And the mishariki inkar bo'lsa, musharaqa buding sholatni olamiz, aniqsizlikni-chi. Oldiga notni qaytib qo'ysak ham bo'ldi. Nima? Not to interrupt. Okay, not to interrupt. And Mr. Harmsworth told me you will receive an extra £1,000 a year. And you will receive. And the ma'u janglay o'schu. Kelgusi zaman bo'lsa, bu o'tgan kelgusiga aylandi. Bir zaman keyin Mr. Harmsworth told me that I would receive an extra £1,000 a year. Men bayon qilayotganimga menga degandiki men odam tushunami? Deydigan gap. Xo'sh, shu eng oddiy shakllardan hamda bir nim qilib boqayli. Masalan, u dedi ya, I am busy. Okay, I am busy. Okay, and oddiy hozir qilganda he says he is busy. U deydi, u qanaqa aldirashgan. Agar ham o'tgan zaman bo'lsa, he said, da qistirma jumla qilsak, I am busy miti? He said that igisi o'zgaradi. He, masalan, igisi was busy. Okay, and u o'zidan oldirashchilikni men qanday qildi dedi. And he told me he was busy. And u menga oldirashlikni qanday dedi. Okay. And bularni nima deysanglar? Shu nimalar, shu zaman shakllari qanday deysanglar, o'zgaradi. And shu jije yingi ishlatgan masalan, do'la jenje yingi kelganda qanday qildirsangiz o'zgaradi. Masalan, do'ningki did. Shunami? Hamda boshqalarniki biz shu o'tgan zamonda manda dedi, unda dedi, pishni ig'vo taqatganda, boshqalarning gapini to'shig'anda shiltimiz emasmi? Shunga bo'shniki hammasiniki qandasanlar o'zgaradi. Masalan, do'ningki did bo'ldi o'tgan zamonga, was were doing. Okay. Will do'ningki would do. I'm as going to do, was going, was were going to do. Did ningcho had done. O'tgan zamonninki o'tgan putgan bo'ladi. O'tgan zamonninki hamda o'zlashtirilmasa o'tgan putgan. Masalan, drive, have drive, demak had done. Shanday bilan changni nima deysanglar? O'tgan putgan bo'ladi. Diqqat. Birga o'tgan zamonniki, yana birga shanday bilan changniki, hozir putgan zamonniki o'zlashtirilmasa o'tgan putgan bo'ladi. Masalan, had done bo'lsa had done. Okay, had done. Had done. Masalan, I have just finished my homework. Yani he says that. Okay, hamda mana oddiy hozir zamonniki biz bir zaman keyin yanmaydi, lekin igisi o'zgaradi. He has just finished his homework. And my homework then his homework. Masalan, he said that. And u dediki he had just finished homework. Agar ham nima o'tgan zaman bo'lsa, bir zaman keyin he had just shanday vanchun go'chi vanchun aylandi. Shanday vanchun go'chi vanchun aylandi. Masalan, he told me that he has just finished his homework. Okay. And she will come here soon. He says that she will come here soon. And he said that o'g'andiki ma will deganimiz bir zaman keyin nima bo'ldi? Would. Masalan, she would come here soon. Yakina o'xshashlarni she would come here soon. And he says that. Masalan, you can go anywhere. And these are I can go anywhere. He says that I can go anywhere. He said that I could go anywhere. And I could go anywhere. O'xshash. Xo'sh, hamsa, shuningki practice qismini practice qilib boqaylik. Shu tuandiklarni o'zlashtiruvchi jumlaga aylantirib. Masalan, I'm very glad to visit the workshop. She said. Ana bu o'zgargan nima? She said that. Yoki she told me that she was impressed. Igisi o'zgaradi. She and then fe'li o'tgan zaman bo'lsa, bir zaman keyin kelib nima? She was very good to visit the workshop. Okay, workshop. And my mother took me to exhibition. And though many she said. Okay, I'm not she told me, said that her mother had taken her to an exhibition. Mesela we are going to study in Australia. Ama canlı yaşının gene mesela goçu canlı bu.